guys, come with me to take a look around a one-bedroom signature suite at the Swan Reserve. We stayed here for a couple of nights to celebrate my daughter's birthday. As we come into the room, immediately to the left, there's a console with the Keurig machine, including like cups and your different coffees and creamer. And there are also 2 water bottles that they refilled daily, complimentary. As we go down the console, here are some plugins, ice bucket, cups. There's plenty of storage here. We stopped at the grocery store, so we have some treats and things for my daughter's birthday, and there's more treats at the Gideon's cookie place. It was really good. If you guys haven't tried that, you need to check that out. Oh, that's her cake. And then here's a remote control. There's one TV above this console. Here's a microwave, which is pretty convenient, especially if you're staying for like a week or something. It'd be great. More storage. And then as we go across the console, here's a refrigerator. It's just a regular like hotel refrigerator, but plenty of storage room in there. Now we're going to go over into the bathroom. This is the toilet area, and you can enclose it just to be just the toilet area with the toilet and the just one single vanity. So both of the doors close on both sides there to the shower area and to the living area. So that's really convenient. It's really also nice to have that extra sink in there. Came in really handy, especially in the evening and in the morning when everyone's getting ready. Now, as we look around here, this is the shower area looking from coming in through the bedroom area. Got plenty of extra towels and washcloths. Here's the shampoo and conditioner and that sort of thing. They did have a makeup mirror, and I actually love these makeup mirrors because you can move them to a different area. If someone else is getting ready, you can just take that and put your makeup on. I think it's really convenient, actually. Let's see, this container is empty, so maybe they have cotton balls or something in there at other times. So here's that basket with the towels, extra toilet paper, hair dryer, all the essentials are there. The vanity, I will say, was very large, and also the shower is quite spacious. It did have both the rain head shower and the wand, so that's really nice. And then if we look over here, on this side is that sliding door closing off the toilet area. But then into the bedroom, they do have those panel doors, 2 panel doors, that shut that off as well. So if someone's getting ready, they won't wake up that person in the bedroom. So that's really nice. Here is our view of Tower of Terror from the bedroom. And then if you look down here, this is the parking for the reserve. It was so convenient, like right there by the resort. So very nice. Here's the one of the closets. Has robes. And here is a list of the dry cleaning if you want to see that, just some of the prices. This was April 2022, so these are the prices when we were there. And then up here we have your iron and some extra pillow and blanket, as well as the luggage rack down there. And then let's go over here. Here's another console with more plugins. If you need to plug in multiple things, you are all set in this room. There are so many plugins. Here's your second TV. It's in the bedroom. And here's the king-size bed. 2 nightstands, both with drawers, lighting. Lamps are cute. Here's the telephone and more plugins. Paper and pen. Here's your drawer space. And there's more storage underneath that, an open storage area. There's that artwork above the bed. It's kind of unique. Here's the thermostat. So there were two thermostats in the room, one here, and then I'll show you the other one in a minute. And then if we look out this window, you can see the mini golf course. Here's Fantasia, I think it's called. And then the fairways is just below. Maybe I'll get a shot of that in a minute. And here's Epcot. There's the Swan and Dolphin. And as you can see, you can just take that little path right there and walk right across. And there is the fairways course, the little bit harder mini golf course. And it's just right there at the hotel. So if you want something else to do, don't want to take a park day, just go down and play some mini golf. It's a great alternative option for parks. Here is this QR code. I'm not sure if you'll be able to scan it or not, but it's just a little bit more information about the hotel. There is plenty of storage here. Here's your safe. It's located in the bedroom. So much storage. The drawers are very deep, and we're able to hold quite a lot. And then that was a shelving side, so that was really nice too. And if we walk into the living area, got your couch and chair. There's telephone remote, extra paper pen, some artwork. And this did let out into a queen-size sleeper sofa. There's the third TV, and the thermostat was over there. The queen-size sleeper sofa, my daughter said, was really comfortable, and she sleeps in the sleeper sofa pretty often when we go on vacation, and she said this was probably one of the best ones she slept in. Very comfortable, she said. There's the Swan and Dolphin. There's that walkway, and there's Epcot again. There's the ball. So this is the Epcot Signature Suite. And here's just a few pictures of the room. This is the angle of coming in as you came in the door. And this is the toilet area. So I thought it was very convenient and a pretty good setup. Here are the shampoos and conditioners, and then here's just a different angle of the room from the window area looking forward. Here's the coffee. I did stop at the World of Disney and pick up a box of the 50th anniversary Joffrey's K-Cups, and I used those instead, so I don't know how the coffee tasted. Here's the bedroom. It was really airy and nice. I did enjoy the room. I thought it was very nice. I think we all four of us that were there, we really enjoyed it. So we just had two of our children with us this time. At Turndown one night, they did give us this little sucker. I didn't taste it. I gave it to my daughter, and I don't even know if she ate it while we were there, but it was really cute, very cute and very unique. And there's the Tower of Terror, the view from our room. It's great. This is the outside signage for the hotel. Look at the pretty flowers. Okay, so I did forget to show you this. This is the under bed storage for your suitcases and things. And there is another closet that I didn't get the first time when I was showing you around. There are actually two of these closets. So there's so much storage in this room. If I pan out here, you can see there's the two closets on either side of the doors to the bathroom. And then this is just a really general overview of where the hotel's located. The Swan Reserve, the Dolphin, and the Swan. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.